Welcome to the Leading Site News.
Deopani College to celebrate Foundation Day and Freshers Meet. Deopani College is all set to celebrate its Foundation Day come 16th Social Freshers Meet on August 5, 2025. The event, which will be held under the 24 Deopani constituency, promises to be a grand affair with Honorable CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang gracing the occasion as the chief guest. The college authority and students union have been working tirelessly to ensure the success of the event. The celebration will not only mark the foundation day of the college but also welcomed by the freshers in style. The event is expected to be a memorable one, with various programs and activities lined up to entertain the guests and students. We wish the Deopani College community a grand celebration and successful event. All are invited to join and make the event a grand success.
Kardom kadu wekan kami nilimen sami Rojina Teron pi lapenke nilike Deopani College along HES lo lasinon nilitum kenap tarik po lake nilitum college along program padoponji labangke fresher meet lapenke college foundation dia program padoponji lasinon nilitum cyclem bomlo nilitum dondri pensinon peklang pon paprang po ngot nanglang no sebab nilitum dondri pon bom lo non tangke lang kami patang pon ito these all are my teamwork. Like any little my teamwork, some one little complaints about the night. You know, they let me keep saying. Maybe seniors then lo. Jala puye ba? Sumar tum ball patu bom lo. Hey, don't pass high below. Non ke nitum college get anang le elo college one related to me ke tum principal tum dado.
Go.
So non ke college alo college compound alo nang dut elo now non ke tum teacher jumpan lapen ke principal han jutang panang so good evening teachers. So here he is our beloved principal and these are the our staff, teaching staff. So sir penle lamar jipona na.
So good evening to you all. Welcome you all to the 16th Social Freshers Meet. Come College Foundation Day that will be celebrated tomorrow, that is 5th of August 2025 in this our college premise. So there will be a singing from program will be performed by our beloved students and some what is called traditional dance like bihu, and these are going to be performed. Then it is lucky, so to say, our Honorable CM Karbangtan Mas Council, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, will be the chief guest tomorrow. So I welcome you all to witness this historic event, which will be a memorable one, will be a grand successful one. So welcome you all, especially best wishes to the freshers. Once again, welcome them to Deopani College. Feel at home, and this will be a new beginning for you. Have a great learning with enthusiasm and throughout your studies here in Deopani College. Welcome you all. Thank you.
So thank you so much, sir. I'm so happy for that. So now pendel anatule tumpang no control. Thank you. So lahana pendel bangke jo nang tumpan kadu we kan stamme welcome you all. Litum pila selfie point mate mohor chinebdim tado lang duno. Lahana mohor chinebdim lo selfie point lo. Penke pendel aluta lang mang deh lang. Tangke tilang jo tangke tang ponon. Here hai lo tadi dekhin lah. Ta-da! Tuliram Rohang sir. Alang lisi pinapladak laso ang program along wang po. So, kado waste kami wang pet non. Penke enjoy non rapet na. Lahin lo saklan non. So thank you so much for watching, and I, as a GS of Deopani College, welcome you all and invited you all. Please join us. Let's make the event wonderful and memorable one. So thank you so much. Bye bye.